sound show, which is there, which happens in the evening. So we know that it's going to start at 7 p.m. So we started at 4:30. Now we have also made our petrol full, okay, and now we are heading towards that. So let me show you around. We are still in Bangalore right now, and we are amidst the traffic. And yeah, let's see the situation. So as you can see that we are stuck in the traffic. Though it's Saturday, but traffic is no less, and it's going to take some time. We're not sure, maybe another 2 hours to reach or more than that. So I'll be showing you the roads, the route to it. Okay, so now we are in the city and it's very busy here. So once we are able to leave the city, I think it's going to be a bit more peaceful. Okay. So guys, on the weather, today we are having a pleasant weather until now. That's why we decided that we are going to go towards it. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. So let's see. Now it is pretty sunny, not that hot, not that cold. Beautiful Bangalore weather, and it's not raining. So hopefully it doesn't rain once we reach. So we are still in Bangalore, as you can see. There was a lot of traffic. It was not more of traffic, but mismanagement in one of the places. I think we got delayed by 10 minutes for that. So it's going to take another 1.5 hours to reach. So guys, the weather is really awesome today. Okay, until now it is really pleasant that we are going. The roads are also not that crowded, but only in some places there were mismanagement, and hence we had to go a bit far to take one U-turn. But yeah, I think if we reach on time, we'll be having a good time. So see, I'll be showing you around how the sky is looking like. We have another 1.5 hours to reach. We are still in the city. So you can see how beautiful the weather is looking today. So it's really a beautiful experience if we can go out in such kind of weather. Though we have put the AC on in our car, but it's not that hot, and it's not raining also. Though we love Bangalore rains. Let's see when we reach and if we're able to attend that on time. On our way, but we're not sure that if we will be able to reach by 7. Maybe we'll be delayed by 10-15 minutes. But again, until now our journey has been really good. Again, most importantly because of the weather. The sky is really beautiful today, and also the traffic is, now that we have come out of the city, there is no traffic as such. So we are going smoothly, and it's the evening time, the time for the sun to set, and trust me, it is looking beautiful. I'm going to show you around how it looks. So we have almost reached AdiYogi, and as you can see, there is a big queue here for the cars. Not sure if there are inadequate parkings or not, but we have been standing here since quite time. It was not quite well managed. So we have almost reached. Okay, we don't know if the light show has started or not, but let's see. We will be giving you the update. So the area looks like this, as you can see. There are some stalls on the way. All these cars are heading towards AdiYogi only. Turn left, stay on Isha Foundation Road. It's the second time we are coming here. So the first time when we have come, it was in the morning. It was, we started in the morning, but I think we reached, about in the afternoon. So this time we specifically wanted to see the light and sound show. So we are coming in the evening, but we can still see, with the amount of cars that there are quite a few people who are coming for the same reason. It is always a good visit here. The last time also when we came here, we liked the place. We enjoyed the place here. Many people are returning back also. They must have come in the afternoon and they are returning now. You can see there's a big queue of cars. It still shows 3.8 kilometers. Now you can see the gate of AdiYogi, which will be coming. In 200 meters, we are now going to enter inside Isha Foundation. So now you're able to see. We are going to cross the gate. On Isha Foundation Road, then turn right onto Isha AdiYogi Road. So this is the gate, guys, of AdiYogi. As you can see, it's mentioned the abode of yoga. We know that there are two AdiYogis. One is there in Coimbatore another one here that we are coming. The gate looks quite classy. This is the gate. And we are entering AdiYogi finally. You can see there are some restaurants towards the right. So there are quite a few places where you can eat inside AdiYogi. Lunch options are also there. I can see a good restaurant towards my right, Udupi Garden here. I think last time we have had our lunch here only. So yeah, there are places inside in case you are planning in the afternoon. You don't need to worry about lunch. At least good veg places you are going to get inside. Still 3 kilometers to go. at AdiYogi now.
Spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Mahadelaya Namaha.
we didn't have a good experience here. The reason being, when we were entering AdiYogi, we saw some cars were parked outside, and I think they planned to see it from outside. So we were in a dilemma that whether we should go inside, because already we were late. But then we planned to come inside. But after coming inside, we were completely delayed because the parking was quite far from the main entrance. And by the time we reached the parking, the show already started. And then after parking, we frantically ran inside, and after that, once we reached, it was just 5 more minutes only left for the show to complete. But I think for 5-7 minutes we had a good time. It is worth watching, but it is very the show is only for very less time. I think hardly 15 minutes, because when we entered AdiYogi, the show started, and the parking was really very far. Okay, we never imagined the parking to be this far, but it was indeed that far, and it was in complete dark, so it was very difficult for us to go inside. And after parking also, there was it took some time for us to come inside. So overall, it was not that a good experience, because I think they should plan it better, where to park it. We also paid a parking fee of 50 rupees, but now we are feeling it was not worth at all, because we could have just stood outside and see it. But you can see the place looks very nice. The weather is also very good. So yeah, it was good, but I think we could have planned better to just stand outside and watch it. So in case you are planning to come, you should come in advance. Okay, try to reach here by 6:30. Max by 6:45. Then I think you can have a pleasant time, and you can see the show complete. Reached home. Now it is close to 12 that we have reached. So while coming back, our journey was very smooth. Only thing was there was a lot of traffic while coming down from AdiYogi. We stood there for almost half an hour, and then we came down to Devanahalli, where we finished our dinner. It was Empire Restaurant, and it's very common for most of you. It's all over Bangalore. But we really had a very good dinner, because there is a lot of options. If any one of you haven't yet explored that, I think it is a must. And after that, the roads were very empty, so it didn't take us much time, and we landed at home at around 12. So again, it was more than a 2-hour trip, again because of the huge traffic which was there in AdiYogi. But overall, it was a good trip for us. But the lightning was only for 15 minutes. We didn't know about that, the light and night show. So we thought it was a lot of journey to be done. We expected it is going to be at least for an hour or so. But for those of you who doesn't know, it is just for 15 minutes, and you can also have a view. You don't have to go to AdiYogi. You can also have a view while you get the road. I mean, as in just before we reach AdiYogi, also there is a place from where also you can get a view. So it's, some cars were standing there, and they were able to see it from there. So it is again your choice. I think we did a mistake of going inside, and then it was this huge traffic and huge a lot of cars. It was difficult for us to find the parking, and then we lost a lot of time as well over there. So if you are planning to go to AdiYogi, I think this video is going to be a must watch for you. And please let us know in case you want us to make any more videos or any other topics. Thank you.